Hello everyone, welcome back to Kitchen Moods. Today's recipe is oven-baked chocolate donuts. This recipe is gluten-free, wheat-free, and low-carb. Ingredients of the recipe will be 1 cup almond flour, 1/4 cup of protein powder, flavored or unflavored, 3 tablespoons of Monk Fruit Sweetener, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and 1/8 of a tablespoon xanthan gum. 1/4 cup of thick coconut cream if you want to go vegan, but you can also use sour cream. 2 tablespoons of ghee, butter, or coconut oil, and 3 tablespoons of warm water. And I will beat all the ingredients together until the soft and fluffy dough forms. I will grease my silicone donut mold with butter or coconut oil. Then we'll divide my dough to 6 balls and spread even the donuts in my mold. I will preheat the oven on 325 degrees and I will bake the donuts for approximately 15 minutes or until the top becomes golden. I will take it out of the oven and let it cool down while I prepare my chocolate dip. For the chocolate dip, I melted 100 grams of dark chocolate with 2 tablespoons of butter or coconut oil and 2 tablespoons of monk fruit. I used the microwave to melt my mixture, but you can also use a hot water bath. Then I dipped the top of the donuts into the bowl of melted chocolate and place it into a service tray. This donut is very filling and dense. It works great as a breakfast or dessert. Hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do, and until the next time.